pretty cool because it's pretty popular. Another one I use is this Lunarcrush. I use this lunarcrush.com. It's a great social platform. This is essentially my dad was a chemical engineer, and I basically was talking to him about how I wanted to develop an algorithm where I essentially monitored social media data through Facebook, Twitter, all the different networks, and use it early on in the process before I knew about stuff like this, because I noticed a trend in stuff it peaking socially and price points early on in my studying of cryptocurrencies, and Lunar Crush accomplished that. So I don't have to make it. I don't have to make it. I can simply instead of using Google Trends and Google searches and finding information in Twitter searches and finding out how many posts and how many posts were done in the last hour versus 6 hours versus 12 hours. I was calculating numbers like that. Now I have Lunar Crush, and Lunar Crush is an amazing website that calculates all this social data and gives you a galaxy score. And for instance, right now the galaxy score is really high on Angel, um, and you're gonna see a lot of different altcoins and coins that like Shiba was up here the other day, but you're gonna see a lot of different altcoins that you might not ever even heard of before. That if you look into, you're gonna be kind of surprised. It might be a new coin or a new group that's come together to do some part of DeFi or something, and you'll find them here that you never even heard of. But there's a lot of things here that aren't available on Coinbase, and you'll have to explore other means, obviously outside of Coinbase, to fund that. And that's simple by just transferring some Ether from your Coinbase account to your MetaMask, to create a MetaMask account, and transfer some ETH to your MetaMask and create an account through your MetaMask, and there you can divert, or you can send Coinbase to any other. You can basically withdraw your Ether or something and send it to those other accounts, and you can use that as the seed fund for buying some of these other altcoins that you find in Lunar Crush that might be going crazy at the time. They might be blowing up and you don't even know about it. Like this one right here in the last 24 hours has went up 9,000%. What was that, cat coin? It's like a Doge cat coin. And I haven't even heard of it, right? But it's went up 9,238% in the last 24 hours. It is currently at 6018. 6 zeros and 18. So like you could buy some cat coin right now. And I don't even know where you could get cat coin at, but you can look into it and explore it, and you can usually, I'm pretty sure some exchanges, yeah. Top influencers. Hopefully one day you see Crypto Coach as one of the influencers on one of these type of coins. Is what the goal is with Crypto Coach, is to be one of these people. Maybe one day that'll happen. But these are the top trading pairs. Don't see. Obviously, Pancake Swap. Would be BUSD. ZB.com is USDT. BitTrue is USDT. Are the ones that I would go with. That where I would go just because of the way my accounts are set up. Obviously, it's not financial advice. You do it. Would you? I'm not buying any cat coin right now because I don't have the money to do it. But I mean, I just learned about it. I mean, right here in front of you right now, just by going to Lunar Crush. Never heard of it, and checking these galaxy scores out, I learned something new. And see, the crazy thing is though, like just like what I did with SHIB back in like March or something. Is, you know, I bought $50 worth of SHIB. You know, like it wasn't even a, like I wasn't able to get it on Coinbase. I had to like branch out. And when I first branched out, like I branched out to buy just a tiny amount of SHIB, just to do it, to try it and see it and learn it, and I did it, and it I ain't scared to sell it and make money off of it. I ain't scared to sell it and make some money off of it. But that's it. Let's go to TradingView. Let's check out BTC.